Let's start the game. You and I on the screen. Heartbeats like the theme, baby, tryna get the high score. Cause you're the one that I adore. Nothing else is in my view. All the other players that you knew could never play the part for you.
So good morning guys, today is May 25 and we are celebrating my birthday. Currently I'm 32 years old na. So nakakalungkot isipin, wala na ako sa kalendaryo. Pero ganun talaga, ganun ang buhay, hindi naman tayo bumabata. That's why I'm filming this. I want to document this film. So para in the future, mapanood to ng family ko and then of course mapanood ko na rin. May mababalikan tayong happy moments together with the family. So gagawin namin, pupunta kami ngayon sa isang private resort. So para makapag-swimming yung mga bata kapag tumatanda ka na, kasi mas iniisip mo na lang yung happiness sa mga bata kaysa sa happiness mo. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Ito yung si Shaki Boy guys. So sleeping pa po siya. Boy, sama ka swimming? Boy, patuts. So yan na, let's go. Boy, sama ka swimming? Hey daddy? Ha? Sama ka? Swimming na kami. Sama si Lutan ba? Yo. Tita Ana. Si Jamie. Si Boy sama? Sige, tara na. Let's go. Swimming niyo si Boy. Going to Alanda's Place Resort. So dito lang din sa North Caloocan.
Ano, beach?
Saan tayo punta?
Beach.
Hindi, kaya swimming pool lang. Saan ka magsiswimming? Si-swimming pool ka? Are you excited?
Yes.
Say, let's go!
Same girl ni Daddy, damit ko.
Tingin ako damit mo. Hindi pa ito sa video.
Training.
Sabi mo, let's go!
Go!
We're going to swimming pool. Sabi mo, let's go!
Go!
Hi, Boy! Boy! Hi! Hi, Me! Say hi! Birthday, Daddy! Kanta ka muna! Birthday! Happy birthday! Boy! Boy! Sabihin mo, hi guys! Going to swimming. Sabi daw siya.
You got to know you are the prize, but I don't need a moment if it's not with you. I'll just minimize. I don't need a cheat code written out to see it in your eyes. I got a million pixels showing my new quest that's just alright. You got my heart going power up like a power up, power up.
So, ayun, thank you guys. So, tapos na kaming mag-swimming sa may, anong pangalan ng resort? Alanda's Resort niya sa may Victory Heights. So, nag-enjoy naman kami. And then si Shaki Boy, are you happy? Nag-swimming siya.
Approve. Check.
Check mo yung swimming. Check mo.
Sila sama si Lolo Tambo? Check na si Lolo Tambo?
So, overall, papasalamat kami of course sa God. Yun lang, wish ko sana maging healthy kami buong family para okay kami lahat. Then, yun lang po. Salamat hanggang sa muli.
Bye. Thank you
Bye-bye.
for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go! Let's go, boy. Sabi mo na